Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. Today I want to profile the 2018 All America Selections winner, Super Hero Spry Marigold. It's a bicolor marigold, red, yellow, gold, maroon. It's beautiful colors. It gets 10 to 12 inches tall. It's a bush variety, French Marigold, and you can just see the wonderful colors. I have it planted around other marigolds. These are other AAS winners, which I will be profiling in future videos if you'd like to subscribe to our channel. But the Super Hero Spry is extremely prolific when it comes to flowering. Starts early summer, will continue all the way into the frost. I'm going to take you through the garden and show you where I'm growing it in different places, and I'll talk to you why growing marigolds, especially the French marigolds, along with tomato plants can be beneficial. But look at the beautiful colors. This is another AAS winner. It's a 3-foot tall marigold, which I will be getting to in a future video. Here's the Super Hero Spry, and one thing I wanted to point out is you'll notice the flowers that have faded. They're all over the place, but you see the blooms, you see new flowers starting. You don't really have to deadhead this and it will continue to flower. That's one of the beauties of this variety. Again, the Super Hero Spry. Now of course I'll come back, I'll take off all the faded flowers, but this variety will continue to bloom with minimal care and deadheading. Let me show you the tomato plants. I have several varieties of All America Selections winning tomatoes growing here, and right down at the base I have the Super Hero Spry French Marigold, created by Ernest Bennery of America Incorporated. And the key, if you're using companion plants like marigolds, is you want the French Marigold. They have the strong scent, and the strong scent of the marigold can help deter the bad insects away from your tomato plants and other vegetables in your garden. And it's the strong scent that masks the smell of the tomato, cucumber, squash plant, and sometimes that bad insect will just fly by. But you can see all the flowers, new blooms coming, beautiful colors, just maroon and gold, taking down the whole length here of my 4-foot by 8-foot raised bed. The marigolds in the main garden are being taken care of a lot better than the ones in these small flower boxes. But I wanted to show you, even with neglect, these dry out often here in our 90-degree temperature in July, but they are still blooming. They're not quite as big foliage wise, but the blooms are still beautiful. More coming. And if I gave them just a little bit more care, a little more regular watering and feeding in these boxes, they would be just as large as the marigolds you saw in the garden. They're extremely versatile. I highly recommend the Super Hero Spry. And remember, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. Thanks for watching.